So Apple has released iOS 14.6, and in this video I'm just going to be sharing with you the changes and then the new features you're going to see after you update your phone to iOS 14.6. So when you check out here, I actually updated my phone from iOS 14.6 release candidates, and you should actually see your update size around this one right here. So Apple actually brought a lot of new stuff right here and announcing the spatial audio with Dolby Atmos, which is coming to us June right here after the release of iOS 15. This is actually going to come with iOS 15, but the good thing about this one is you're not going to pay anything. The subscriptions you have already is going to still be the same as you are going to have right here. So when you check right here, you're going to see a whole lot of new stuff right here. You're going to see Dolby Atmos and a whole lot of stuff, and you're going to see a lot of changes when it actually drops to us come June 7th. So this is one cool thing I think you need to make a date for, because it's actually going to present to us good sounds right there, which I think a lot of people are going to like it right here. So just make a date for this one, and then that is going to be very cool. So Apple is actually bringing the Apple Digital Master right here. So this is one of the newest feature. When you go to Apple Music, you're going to see right here, like I said, Apple is bringing the lossless audio to us, and it's one of the greatest niftiest feature you're going to like, because you're going to listen to music in high definition. And when you go to your music section right here in your settings, you're going to see it right there too. So you can now play or stream music over your data, and then when you check on the mobile data streaming too, you can get higher efficiency and then high quality. I think I covered a little bit of this in the release candidates, and you can check it out right here too. So this is one of the niftiest thing or the coolest thing I think Apple is bringing to us. And also you can turn on right here and you can see download over mobile data too. Initially it wasn't there like that, so Apple has actually done this well, because a lot of people might be having a lot of data that they want to just download over data instead of Wi-Fi, and Apple has made it possible right here. So just check this out after upgrading to iOS 14.6. So again, Apple actually dropping updates on Apple Card family, which I don't have an Apple Card right here, but in case you have one, you're going to be able to put it right here, and then you can share with your family in order to raise your credit scores right there. So let me just go to my gallery and then show you how an Apple Card looks like if you have never seen one. So this is how Apple Card looks like, and if you have one, you can just add it up there and probably share with your family, and then you're going to be able to raise your score. Probably your little brother or your little sister want to raise their score, you can just help them and then add their names in your Apple Card family right here, and then it's going to be helpful. They can just raise their score by also using your card right here. So I think this is one thing iOS 14.6 has brought to us, which is very, very cool. So another change we are seeing right here is in podcast. When we just open our podcast, we can now just download podcasts right away, and then you can just see right here remove downloads and then also mark all as played, which was initially not right there. It wasn't visible like that. And then again, when you just click on the library, you're going to see it's downloaded right here. Initially it was download. So there's the changes you're going to see in podcast when you upgrade to iOS 14.6. And again, one nifty thing I think I like about this iOS newest version is when we just scroll up right here, we're going to see Shazam's logo right here. So right now, when there's a song playing in the background and you actually just tap on this right here, it's going to bring the song. You're going to see right here song recognition. When you just tap on it, you're going to see song recognition on right here, meaning it's listening to the song or the background, and it's going to pop up right there and give you a notification beneath right here, and then you're going to be able to tap on it and it will take you straight to Shazam's page without even having the Shazam app on your device. So I'm just going to play a song, and then we are going to check out right here and see how it's going to look like. So I actually played a song right there, and then this was the pop-up you saw on the screen, and then I'm just going to tap on open like this, and it's going to take me to Shazam's page, and it's going to show me the song I was actually trying to play on my laptop in order for Shazam to just find the song for me. So this is one nifty feature Apple has brought to us, and I think a lot of people are going to like this when you try to just upgrade their phone to iOS 14.7. This is one of the niftiest things you're going to like about the newest updates right here. So you better make a date for it. If you think you're not going to be upgrading to iOS 14.6 waiting for iOS 15, I think you need to do it right now, because it's very, very cool. You're going to love it. So after you have been able to just find the song on Shazam, you go to your settings, and then you go right here and then you click on app clips. You're going to see it right here, and then you can just choose to remove all clips right here, or you tap on it like this and you're gonna see remove app clips, and basically that is one nifty thing you're gonna find right here. So Shazam is actually going to be there, and you can press on to tap here and you can get an application right away from there. So that is one nifty feature you're going to find on iOS 14.6. So right now in iOS 14.6, you can unlock your iPhone with voice control when you actually reboot it. So when you go to voice control and then you turn on this right here, you can see voice control allows you to use your voice to control your iOS device, and you can just use this, and then when you see your microphone right here, you reboot your phone and then you're going to be able to just unlock your device right there. So I'm just going to try this out and we're going to see how this is going to work. We're going to reboot our phone and then we just turn it on, and then we're going to ask our voice control to just unlock our password for us, and we're going to see how this works. Perfect. So after you turn it on, this is what you're going to see: tap 1, tap 0, tap 8, tap 0, tap 2, tap 5, and it's gonna unlock your device. So that is basically very cool. So you see, this is one of the niftiest thing Apple has brought to us, and if you want to try this out, you just have to go to your settings and then you go to your accessibilities and then you go to your voice control and then you turn it on. So right now I'm just going to turn it off because I don't want to use it right away. So when you go to privacy and then you go to tracking, app tracking transparency, it was actually one of the settings that was grayed out to a lot of people when you upgraded to iOS 14.5, and it was one of the things a lot of people were trying to find themselves to get it sorted, and right now it's open to everyone, so you can choose to just turn anything you want to turn on right here. So if you're not seeing yours being allowing you to track anything, then that means it's your own problem. Probably maybe your device is actually for a company, or probably might be below 18. That is why your app transparency is actually not turned on. So if that is how you are seeing yours, you're not seeing it still grayed out, then that means you are 18 or your phone is actually made for a company. So that is what you need to know. And again, there are some splash screens I saw when I updated to iOS 14.6, and this is one I actually updated to iOS 14.6, and when I went on Instagram, this was the splash screen I had. They were trying to tell me that they are going to be able to track me. So when I turn my app tracking transparency on, they are going to track me and then save me with ads, and same applies to Facebook. So if you actually update your phone and then you see these kind of things, you shouldn't be worried. It's probably Facebook trying to ask you in a polite manner. They want to track you and save you with ads. So if you feel you are good, you're okay with it, you can just try it out and then you just allow them to track you so that they save you with ads, and then maybe targeted ads, not as if they are going to take anything or any data, important data from you. So that is one thing Apple has also made Facebook do, and I think that is one of the niftiest things, because they can't take anything away from us without asking us. So I think that is one cool thing. So right now the bugs I think Apple has fixed is the app transparency right here, which a lot of people were finding problems right here, and then the green tints. I don't see any green tints right here any longer like it used to be on other phones right there. They used to say they had green tints when they updated to iOS 14.5. I don't see any green tints right here, but when it comes to the app tracking, it's now turned on and everything I want to do is right here. So I think that is one of the back they fixed right here, which I like so much. And again, the performance, this is very cool. When I just use this phone, it's very cool. When I even turn on to my battery health, I think the phone is actually performing very well. The battery life is also very on point. Everything works perfectly like I want it, and you can see right here everything is perfect. And when you just even check on my last 10 days, you can check when I updated, you can see right here screen time is like 9 hours, and the phone was doing very well. And I think that is very cool. The battery is also still the same like I want it, and I don't have any problems with battery issues. So should you really update this? I think it's a yes. You guys need to try it out so that you can see the new features that is in this OS, and you can just enjoy it right away, because there are a lot of good things you're gonna like. And yeah, I think you need to really update this. So if you want to make a date for the new update that is coming, that is gonna be on the 7th of June, just stick around. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because iOS 15 is coming, and I'm going to be covering a lot of videos right here which will help you in order to make it very cool for you to just use your iPhone or use this new OS that is coming to us. So if you are okay with whatever you've seen right here, I just urge you to just hit the like button so that it reaches a lot of people, so that they also know whatever is going on. And also trying to subscribe to this channel is also going to help us build a great team, and I'm going to like it too. So stick around so that you don't miss anything, and I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.